some jerk chicken. May I try go get some jerk chicken? Yeah man, I'm away from work, so I just may stop and get some jerk chicken. When I'm in a traffic, look at traffic. Yeah man, you definitely need to do that. You definitely need to do that. Go say, yeah man, you definitely need to do that. Go and go do. You definitely need to do that. You go about your business later. Alright, so this is Red Hills Road. It's a Friday evening. It's like 5:54 p.m. now. And this is typically how it looks, you know, in traffic on a Friday. All over Kingston as I speak. Right now, I'm gonna just get some jerk chicken before I head home and I'll cook because today is Friday. And trust me, the best place for you to get some jerk chicken is on Red Hills Road. I hope a rumpus not full because normally up here packed with people. So yeah. It's a jerk pork up there as well. I love jerk pork, but I don't want a jerk pork today, just jerk chicken. I just feel say a KFC is still a help cause all of this traffic. The jerk menu over there. I've never eaten from any of these guys right out here. Typically I eat from the other jerk man or the near Price Smart. Yeah man, but if you come to Red Hills Road, you have several different jerk men that line up out here. So one right here, so I have jerk pork. I don't know if you do jerk chicken. See? Jerk pork. Go to KFC, man. No, man, I know what's the line there. Long line was because of caves. My taxi man. Once you see the smoke, you know you reach which part of my jerky chicken. What is smoke? Yeah man. Try to get a parking right off here so. Rumpus come. Get my rumpus chicken, you know.
It is said that jerk chicken originates from the time the Maroons brought African techniques for cooking meat to Jamaica, which was then combined with native island seasoning and ingredients. The word jerk may have its root in charqui, which is a Spanish word for dry meat, or it may be derived from jerking or poking holes in the meat to hold spices before cooking.
Just look at that and tell me if you don't want some of that right now. Rumpus! I tell my friend them say that you do best jerk chicken for Red Hills Road.
Some people have different tastes.
Yeah? Yeah, my chicken tastes good, man. So tell me all you see for the chicken. Right? Is it like the day before?
No, said season chicken.
So like early in the morning?
Sometimes at home.
Okay. They're well soaked. I know know me that say maybe you need from overnight to get the real marinade.
No, sometimes if I overnight it have that smell.
Oh, like sour.
Yes, so me too be from overnight.
Oh.
Try to do it safe time. Do it to prepare it before me come.
Okay. So when you throw water on it, would prevent it from dry out?
No. Sometimes the fire blaze up. Below the fire for blaze up, burn them. Burn them up.
Oh.
So I have to cool on the fire. You understand?
Oh. But trust me, sometimes you buy jerk chicken and it dry out. Not taste like jerk, it's like jerk chicken because when you eat jerk chicken, it still have, you know, moist.
CD camera, but everyone was drinking.
Wait, you work with CB too?
I live at the embassy CD camera.
Oh, wait, you're the ambassador.
I'm the ambassador, but the man we are working at the embassy say want some jerk chicken.
Yeah.
I'm going in at the embassy with a chopper and a knife.
Yeah. You're a star, man. You're a star.
Pass them security there with a chopper and the furniture man.
Yeah.
Man just tell the security them allow him to come.
My name buy one more quarter. I'm reach home, I feel for some more, you see.
You know, me give pepper pan them.
Yeah man, give me a little pepper on. Man, that good. Oh, me don't want no white bread, me have to watch your cars.
Brown bread?
Yeah man, give me a brown one.
I have a dozen bread in this, so I don't know what you're supposed to do.
So like what time you leave, like at night time? So by that time everything sell off?
Sometimes 10:30, sometimes people them at Friday night like tonight. Church line up up here.
I know, that's a make sure I come from early. And next time I come and can't get no party. The price of the chicken very reasonable. Reasonable man. With that taste, oh gosh man. Yeah.
I'm a come so. I'm trying to make it up on the chicken, none at all.
I understand.
Why am I trying to
So whole wheat bread and jerk chicken, 2 slices. Already sanitize my hand. Matter of fact, I think the jerk chicken even tastes better when you use your hand more than use fork. Can't get no better than this. Can't get no better than this. You're bad round cut, you're bad. Chicken tastes good, man. Alright, I'm not gonna be mean. I'm gonna share some with you. Have a bite. Right now, we can't eat off everything. We have to save some when we go. Alright, so as I said to you before, come to Red Hills Road. You have the best jerk chicken. You can't go wrong if you come to Red Hills. Rumpus. Yeah, run here.
Yes, I'd love it.
Yeah, man.
Talk to you again. I was going to see you again.
Yeah, see me in a week. Maybe tomorrow or Sunday.
Anytime see
Yeah, man.
Anytime
Alright.
see your chicken.
Yeah, man. You know that. Alright, take care of yourself. Yeah?
That's what I see. Thank you.
Yeah, man. Alright.